Hi friends, Sahana here. In this video series, I'm going to attempt to show you the method that I used while learning to solve the cube. There are many ways to solve a cube. This is just one of them. There are 8 steps in this method. We're going to focus on solving the cube, one step at a time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the bottom layer. This is the 3rd step in solving the Rubik's Cube. If you've not watched the first 2 steps, please watch them before watching this video. The links are in the description below. We are finally ready to solve the very bottom layer of the cube. Before we start, let's learn how to hold the cube. With the white face pointing down, place your left thumb over these 4 squares and your middle and ring fingers over the 4 squares on the opposing side. Now position the middle and ring fingers of your right hand on these 2 stickers up here and your right thumb on the underside. This lets you do 2 things. One, it lets you rotate the right face freely and easily. Swapping the position of your hand allows you to rotate the left face as well. And second, it lets you use your index fingers to rotate the top face. When you combine these rotations together, you get 2 of the most fundamental moves in cubing. The first sequence is called the right trigger. It looks like this. Using your right hand, rotate the right side once away from you. Use your right index finger to pull the top face towards you once. Then use your right hand to rotate the right side back towards you. The left trigger is the same, except it is done with the left hand. The right and left triggers are the most fundamental moves in cubing. The more you practice them, the faster you'll get. We're also going to use these triggers a lot for the remainder of the solve. Step 3 is to solve the bottommost layer of the cube. And to do it, we're going to search for white stickers on the top layer that are facing outward. We want to solve the parts of the bottom layer that aren't already solved, which are the corners that have white stickers. So we'll be looking for those and placing them one at a time. You might find that the cube you're holding has a white sticker on the top face of your cube. You might also have a white sticker in this bottom layer. If you see either of those things, don't worry about it. We'll get to those in a second. For now, just focus on white stickers on the sides of your top layer. So you have a white sticker, it's on a corner piece. Corner pieces have 3 stickers. 1, 2, 3. Ignore the top one. Instead, identify the color to the side of your white sticker. In my case, that sticker is blue and it's diagonally matched to a green center. Rotate the top face until the color beside your white sticker diagonally matches the same colored center. If your corner sticker is oriented to the left of your center sticker, you're going to use your left hand to perform the left trigger. If the corner sticker is oriented to the right of the center sticker, you're going to use your right hand to perform the right trigger. In this case, the corner sticker is on the left side, so I'm going to do a left trigger. Now there are a couple unusual situations that can arise during the 3rd step. The first is an outward facing white sticker on the bottom layer instead of the top. If you run into the situation, simply find the sticker and determine whether it's on the right side or the left side of the face you're looking at. If it's on the right side, perform the right trigger. This repositions the white sticker from the outside of the bottom layer to the top corner of the top layer. If you find a white sticker on the top face, rotate that top face until the white sticker is directly above a non-white sticker on the bottom face of the cube. Next, determine if the white sticker is on the right side of the cube or the left side. If it's on the right side, perform the appropriate trigger move, but instead of doing it just once, do it twice. Now the white sticker is on the top layer facing outward, and I can solve it by matching the adjacent sticker to its colored center and performing the appropriate trigger move. Continue performing the appropriate moves until there are no more white corner stickers to solve for. Here there is a white on the corner piece. I'll ignore the top one. Here it's red, the adjacent sticker is red, and it's already matched the red center, so I'll just do the right trigger because it's on my right hand side. When you're done, the entire bottom layer will be solved. And as a bonus, so will the bottom face. Yay! Bye!